How to add a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the Color workspace by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom. Next, in the Color workspace, select the clip you want to apply the LUT to from the timeline. Now, on the top left side, look for the LUTs panel and click on it to display the list of LUTs. To add a LUT, simply drag and drop the LUT file from the LUTs panel onto the node in the Nodes window. If you don't have a LUT in the library, you can import one by right-clicking inside the LUTs tab and selecting Open File Location. After that, you can add your desired LUTs by pasting them into the folder. Once the LUT is applied to the node, you can adjust its intensity using several key sliders and curves, which let you control how strong and subtle the effect looks. If needed, you can add multiple nodes and apply different LUTs on each node for more complex color grading. Finally, after applying the LUT and any adjustments, play your clip to see how the color grading looks and make further tweaks if necessary. And that's it. Now you know how to add a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.